So good afternoon to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Brightcom Group share. So we know that this particular stock has given back-to-back momentum since the past 6 to 7 weeks and in between as well in earlier sessions, followed by today also the circuit was open for a certain period of time and later it has hit the upper circuit. So I've updated that in the Telegram group also. So because of various positive updates which are running around the company, whether it may be related to the AGM which is scheduled on the next upcoming month, and there are few important things that we need to observe. So I think many people are familiar about the preferential allotment. So who are the allottees and how the process will take place? So all the basic details we'll try to discuss. And the same way, we'll also go to the technical charts to find out the next supports and resistances that we need to focus. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel and also join the Telegram group so that you'll not miss any instant updates followed by technical charts. I'll provide link in the comment section. Okay, so in the Telegram, all the major things like whenever any stock, especially I know many people have invested in BCG. So I felt that I need to update all the things, especially today when the circuit was open. So before the market has opened, I've updated that in Telegram itself. So little volume fluctuation was also present in Brightcom Group. So we know earlier almost 60 to 70 lakh pending orders would be present, but nowadays, so we are seeing little bit of reduction is present in volume because already the stock has given some very good huge uptrend. So what is the strategy that we need to follow and most important things that we need to keep in mind? So these things we'll try to discuss in this particular video. Okay, so do join the Telegram group so that you'll not miss any important things. Okay, so discussing the basic details related to whatever the allotment which is going to happen, which is around 373 crore. You can see that, and they've also given the allotment price. Also, it was discussed earlier as well. That is around 31.17, which is at a premium of 29.17. So these basic details I'm discussing so that all the beginners who are watching this video, so they will have the clarity. So these things only accelerated the stock. You can already check that how much percent returns it has given just in a short span of time. And many people recently also they have taken fresh position in BCG. So as I told, little volumes fluctuations were present today and it was showing little bit of selling pressure, but again whatever the buying, whoever were waiting to buy this particular stock, so those orders got executed and it has closed in the upper circuit. So now we'll try to discuss the basic details related to EGM. So what is the date, most important date that we need to focus, and how the stock will react to that. So these things we'll discuss. Okay, so next moving further towards the EGM. So clearly you can see the date also is provided. So date is around August 5th, 2021. So further time is left for that particular AGM. So AGM stands for Extraordinary General Meeting, so which will be held by virtual means. So in this they'll discuss all the basic details about, they have also given the list of all the allottees for the preferential allotment, all the details, so that also we'll see. And in the same way the bonus date, many people were asking when they will declare the bonus and what is the date. All these things also will be provided, and already we know quarter results have been declared way back. We have discussed that 40% increment was also present. So apart from that, these are the major activities this would be performed by the virtual means. So you can see clearly the date is August 5th. So still time is present for this particular AGM. So till that time stock is looking little bit in a positive trend that we can observe. So today's circuit has opened. So in Monday on coming sessions also definitely we need to watch all the levels that we are going to discuss in the next slides. Okay, so next moving towards the various entities of the preferential allotment. So you can see these are the various companies and followed by the number of shares are also being provided. Just for information purpose, you can just pause the video and look at all these 15 entities. Okay, so now let's go to technical charts and we'll try to find out what are the levels that we need to observe in the coming sessions. Okay, so now we are back onto the technical charts and you can see this is the 1 week chart of Brightcom Group. So clearly you can see, as I told, 6 to 7 weeks back-to-back momentum was present in the stock. So we have discussed starting from the 8 rupees level. So especially I mentioned 10x stock. So clearly you can watch that. People who have been following me from way back, so they might be knowing how the stock has performed. So fundamentals and all already we discussed long back. What are the major things, how the company is going to perform, what is the future prospect. So all these things we have discussed, and company has also performed in that particular manner. So quarter results, they have also been very good. So especially increment 40%, all these things we have discussed. So next, moving towards, if you see weekly chart, you can see the two moving averages are also close to each other, but the crossover has not happened yet. And money flow index, that is also near 88, because the stock has been in continuous momentum. Back to back momentum was present, upper circuits were present. So let's go to daily charts. There we'll get some clarity related to the levels. Okay, so now we are back onto the daily chart time frame. So today you can see the circuit has opened and you can see the wick has been formed. So little bit after coming down again, the same buying pressure we have seen. So earlier also you can see 2 to 3 times the stock has opened, and it has given chance for people to have any sort of fresh investment, and people who wanted to average also, a special opportunity was given in this particular stock. So same thing today also, little bit of down, like you can say little bit of morning selling pressure was there. But again, as I told, all the people who wanted to buy this particular stock, so they have placed the orders. So next important region that we need to focus would be the 40 rupees. So on Monday, let's see that how the 40 rupees level is going to work out. So after that, 50 rupees would be the main regions. Okay, so these are the important levels. So first 40 crossing, and after that sustaining there is going to be very, very important. Okay, so volume also should increase. So what we used to observe like 2 to 3 weeks back, so that time volume was very high, but today we have seen little bit of decrement in volume. So let's see what happens on Monday. So 40 rupees is going to be very important region. And if you're having any further queries related to Brightcom Group, you can ask in the comment section. And if you have taken any fresh buying position in this particular stock, so do mention that, and you can personally message me in Instagram. Instagram ID is StocksDeriveIT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.